Yeah, I think there's plenty of novelty hopefully coming up, and also vivid questions. So the first talk is about, do we need autologous transplantation anymore? And Gordon Cook is elaborating, I think, what we have achieved, what kind of novelties are out there, and possibly also with cellular therapies, whether we can get rid of autologous transplants any more. So I think studies are also out there doing autologous transplantation versus CAR T cells, or implementing novel bispecific antibodies with CAR T cells with and without autologous transplantation. So he's going to show us these studies. Unfortunately, not as yet the results, because they have not quite finished as yet. And then the second talk is about transplantation and cellular therapies. Are we achieving cure? So as you know, multiple myeloma patients are living much longer with the disease, and Dr. Girald is talking about who can we possibly cure. So that is quite a novelty also. And then the last talk is from Dr. Poppard from London, and he is elaborating on minorities. So minorities are a very small percentage in clinical trials, and that is certainly not quite correct, and those minorities should be captured in those clinical trials also. And he tries to give us solutions how this can be achieved. So I think all three are very important, and this is what are questioning the patients and also us as physicians in clinics every day.